What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So I had different intentions this month in regards to Boxycharm because I was going to do my premium unboxing and then I was going to do a head-to-head of my gifted versus purchased on my Boxycharm regular box, but that got a little bit hairy because this box is eerily similar. So instead, I'm going to unbox both of my purchase box, the regular and the premium, and then I'm going to have a giveaway at the end of this video. So if you want to be able to win an entire Boxycharm box, then make sure you wait until the end. So I promised that I would show you guys my purchase versus PR. It just so happens I got the exact same box. So I'm gonna go through this quickly. If you already watched my other unboxing, then I don't want to take too long, but I'm just gonna show you in a couple of minutes everything that's in this box. First up, the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Cleanser. I was super excited to receive this in my other box, and that is Le Tube right here. Really excited to use this cleanser. I also got the Billion Dollar Brows Taupe Brow Pencil. So this is their micro brow pencil. It's a pretty good color for me right now, and this is the actual pencil. It's just a fine point pencil with a spoolie on one end. I've had sort of hit and miss experiences with the brand, but I mean, it's a brow pencil. Hopefully it can't go too wrong. Next up, the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. I've been using eye patches a little bit more lately when I'm having trouble sleeping and I wake up like puffy or lined from like creasing in my pillowcase or something like that. I always wind up looking like kind of puffy in the morning, but not like regular puffiness. It's always like out here. I don't know why, but anyway, definitely super happy to have these. I haven't tried the brand before, so I'm excited to be trying these out. Next up, M2U NYC sponges. I told you guys in my last video I have used a couple things from the brand, like a lip and a palette. It was pretty good. It was decent. It wasn't anything phenomenal, but these sponges are super soft and they're latex free. It's a $20 value for these, so just $5 a sponge. So yeah, that's the next to last item. And then finally, the Dermalect Out Crease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Sorry if I'm going through this kind of fast. I just have already unboxed this with you guys. I love that it has different types of retinol. That way your skin can absorb and use it to the best of its ability. I love a retinol at night. It's one of my staple ingredients in my skincare routine. So the exact same box as I got before. A little rundown on prices. The cleanser's $28, serum is $39, the hydrating under eye patches are $49.99, sponge set is $20, and the brow pencil is $16. So really good items. I was really overall super happy with everything that I got. Was not ecstatic that my purchase one was the exact same, but hey, at least we know they're not giving all the good stuff to the PR boxes. They're definitely giving a really good arrangement, and I've seen some other boxes, but hopefully next month it won't be the same. And if you're wondering, I actually renewed for a year of Boxycharm about a month before they reached out to me and asked to send me boxes to unbox. So I just missed it, and I wouldn't have renewed for the year, so I have paid for a full year of Boxycharm regular boxes. So I don't know, I hope they're not all dupes. I would be kind of sad that I paid for all of that. If I was on a month-to-month basis, I probably would have canceled my regular box just so I didn't get like overrun with products, but it gives us a good opportunity all year long to see how they compare. So, or for a year. So this is what I'm going to be giving away at the end of the video. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stick around until the end. And with this month being the Anastasia takeover for Boxycharm Premium, I just didn't feel like doing a separate unboxing was wise because I think the boxes are like super similar. So they included the loose setting powder. This is in the translucent shade. I actually never got my hands on this, and I'm excited to use it. I think I was like borderline about to purchase it when I was like on my way out of Sephora, but I was like, oh my god, do I need yet another powder? Probably not. So I'm really happy to have it now. Definitely gonna try that out soon. I got the brow definer in the shade Soft Brown. This is the typical shade that I use that matches my natural hair color, and I feel like since I'm not like, you know, fully blonde from the root down, it still goes and looks very natural on me. So yeah, brow definer, definitely happy to have this because this is one of my favorites. I got the Dewy Set Setting Spray. So I'm a little curious with this because you guys know I worked in Sephora and it says Dewy Finish Makeup Setting Spray. But when we were trained on it, our trainer basically said straight up, this is not a setting spray. Like, it's a dewy finish spray. So I don't know if they've changed that at all. I don't think the formula has changed at all. And it's kind of like MAC Fix Plus. I like the top, I like the component. No glitter, it's just a glittery packaging, so it's pretty. And I'm gonna try this out. Oh, it smells so good. I opened my mouth too soon. It smells so good. I love a dewy finish. I actually like sprays like this that more so just hydrate the skin, melt the makeup, that kind of stuff. I don't mind. I like them. I don't know how well it's going to do for longevity being a dewier finish spray. Sometimes the two do not go hand in hand, actually most of the time. So I like it. I'm really happy to have it, and for me it's like perfect. I also got the Anastasia Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. Here it is. Very happy for this. I do have this mascara, or maybe mine dried out. I think I had a mini of it. So I'm gonna look and see if I have a backup of this. If not, it's gonna go in my backups because I really, really love the formula. One thing that I've never gotten from Anastasia is any of their brushes. So I got the A30 Pro brush. This is a domed kabuki. And a lot of my favorite brushes are silver ferrules, black handles, so I have them all together. It's a weird thing, but I need them to be grouped by like how they look. I know that's silly, but it's just how my brain works. So this will fit right in. And I feel like this would be a great one for contour, especially cream products, because it's more dense and domed. But I'm definitely going to try this out. Such a nice brush. Probably actually one of the things I'm most excited for because the quality of their brushes just feels so nice. Then we have Le Box. I already have this for sure, but this is the Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1 from Norvina. Beautiful purples and then a mixture of pops of color, a few neutrals. So I love this palette. I love their palettes in general. So I'll probably give this away sometime soon on Instagram or something. It's such a nice palette to have received, but I'm not going to open her up. You guys have seen these palettes. I do think that this is one of the most beautiful ones, especially if you're a purple lover, which I know so many of you are. So between, we got palette, powder, brow, mascara, brush, and the setting spray. So I feel like this is a really, really nice combination. As takeover boxes go, I think this is probably one of the most exciting brands. I'm getting 3 things I've never tried. I'm getting a couple favorites, and then I'm getting a palette that if I didn't already have this palette, I would be over the moon. So you guys be on the lookout. I'll do another Instagram giveaway soon, but for my giveaway today, it's going to be strictly on my channel because I know a lot of you guys have missed those. So let's get into the rules. All right, so for this giveaway, I'm going to include everything in my regular Boxycharm: the Whipped Greens Cleanser, brow pencil, retinol serum, under eye patches, and the brush set. So if you want to enter to win that box, all I'm going to require is that, of course, you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you turn on those post notifications as well, like the video, and then comment down below what item out of that box you would be most excited to receive. For me, if I was getting it for the first time, I think the under eye patches or the cleanser. I'm not exactly sure which, but I would be most excited for those two. So just leave me below what you're most excited about, and if you'd like an extra entry, and you have 2 options for this, you can follow me on Instagram and or TikTok. So if you follow me on both places, you'll get 2 extra entries, but you don't have to do that to be entered. All you have to do again is be subscribed, notifications, like the video, and comment what you're most excited for. If you follow me on my other platforms, make sure to leave your usernames in your comment as well so that I can go and check and make sure you get your extra entries. So that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick unboxing. Yeah, I know I didn't really get anything very different. I'm sure this is probably an unboxing you may have already seen or will see again. So hopefully you guys don't mind, and I try to keep it quick for you. Look in the description box if you need clarification on any of the rules. I'll have it written down below as well. And that is it. Thank you guys again, and I will see you on my next one.